Sears.
Hey, buddy. There's an old Sears unit. Actually, it's some SJC Corp or whatever. That's all it says.
Yeah, it looks a lot like a Sears.
Whatever it is, it's really old.
It's a van right there. These units might have replaced ones like this one. And they're heat pumps.
You see the fan?
Yeah. This one's got a burst cylinder. This one is also got a burst cylinder. Whatever this one is. See if I can get a year off of it.
You're here for this.
1980 maybe?
It's could be. I mean, it's got a metal tag. It could be. Is there any logo or any sort of identification?
That's
Nothing.
all I can find right there.
Something right there.
I get the data off this Genitron heat pump here.
There's nothing. There wasn't used to be a logo there by the looks of it, but that's what we got. All right, some really old SJC air conditioner. Okay, guess that'll be it.